What's up, YouTube? Orchid 3 coming at you. This time I'm going to be doing a box break of 2008 Signature Series Edition Baseball from Razor. Factory sealed here. Going to open it up. Just 10 packs per box. And you get 10 autographs. You get one autograph in every pack. Should be a rookie autograph. Looking for guys. Looking for some mojo here, pretty much. So let's open it up. See what we got here. My first box break on YouTube. So the first pack here. It's 5 cards per pack. Ryan Westmoreland, Andrew Kashner, and the autograph is of Andrew Kashner, number 25 out of 699. The other two base were Brett Hunter and Dusty Coleman. Pack number 2 here. We got Logan Schaefer, DJ Mitchell, and the autograph is of Brett Marshall. Not numbered. And you got Chris Smith and Matt Wieters. Let's look at Matt Wieters' auto there. Instead of a base, but up next we got third pack, Jordan Danks, Jeremy Beckham, Kyle Lobstein, number 311 out of 699. Haven't heard of anybody so far except out of the autos other than Andrew Kashner. And the rest of the base is Pete Hissey and Charlie Blackmon. Pack number 4 here. Cord Phelps, Brad Holt, Cody Satterwhite. Oh. Sorry about that. I had to answer the phone. Cody Satterwhite, number 412 at 1199. And the rest of the base is Brian Price and Ryan Flaherty. Let's go to pack number 5 here, halfway through the box. Sorry about the interruption there. We got Cody Satterwhite again, Alan Dykstra, and Nico Vasquez, 354 at 1199. So far, not a great box, but we're only halfway through, so let's see what we got here. Pack number 6, Kyle Skipworth, Dennis Rabin, Brett Marshall, 1342 out of 1499. Rest of the base, Brian Matz and Tim Beckman. Pack number 7 here. Lance Lynn, Wade Miley, and the auto is Chi Hassan Lin, 1134 out of 1499. Mike Montgomery and Chris Smith. The rest of the base. 3 packs left. Haven't hit nothing yet so far, so see what happens. We got Kyle Lobstein, Justin Smoke, and the auto is Zeke Spruill, 276 out of 1199. Wow, this is for my first box break on YouTube. This is pretty uneventful, but we still got 2 packs left here. Pack number 9, got Brett Wallace, Jason Castro, and the auto is Jordan Lyles, not numbered. Jake Jeffries and Yadier Alonso with the rest of the base. And the last pack of the uneventful box. No mojo unless we got it here. DJ Mitchell, Tyson Ross. Wow, Jordan Lyles again. This one is short printed 13/19 out of 14.99. Same guy. And the rest of the base is Lonnie Chisenhall and Tristan Friedrich. Well, that's it. You got the 10 autos. Nothing good except for Andrew Kastner was the best in the very first pack. So that's $6.99. So if anybody's interested in any of these, hit me up here. Let me know. Contact me on eBay at Wordka3. Got a store on there, like I say in all my videos. So, all right. Till next time. I might have another box break later tonight. So, I'll talk to you later.